Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use AirPlay on your iPhone running on iOS 18 to stream videos, music or your screen to another device. So first of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then search for AirPlay and continuity, which is in the general, and you have to search for this option called AirPlay and continuity. So tap onto it. By default it's set it up to automatic, and if you want to set up whenever it will use, if you want it to ask you, then tap on to ask, or if you never want to use it, then tap on to use. But for me, automatic is better in my opinion. So now the second step is that your AirPlay and continuity, your iPhone and the AirPlay device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise AirPlay won't work. Now you have to open a video, music app or photo app on your iPhone, tap the AirPlay icon, a rectangle with a triangle. So you have to tap onto the AirPlay icon. You can see this, and make sure it has to be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now you have to tap onto this, and it will see the option like your TV or PC or any other devices. As you can see, mine is not connected to another device, like I don't have any other device connected right now to my Wi-Fi, so it's not showing, but it will show to you. And now you enjoy and control playback. That's it. This is how you can use AirPlay on iOS 18. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.